15 rupees.
So how can you give 15 rupees for an umbrella and also a key of bike?
Only key, no bike.
2 pence
Free.
and that kerchief
Huh?
and umbrella only 50 rupees.
Wow.
I will give my stationery.
So how can you sell these products, damaged products?
This is only use summertime.
If you start selling such products, your home will be sold tomorrow. Don't. Okay, fine. A very warm welcome to everyone here in this session, and this session is going to be one of the beautiful session for you, one of the new kind of experience for everybody, because in this session specifically we are going to focus on the salesman skills. We are going to focus on salesman skills. So here I would like to intimate you the conditions that one person amongst you would come here and as a salesman would come, and that salesman would be the founder of any one of these companies, right? So a few customers would come to you and it is your turn to approach the customers to buy particular product, because customers uh, expectation would be to purchase this pen, but the salesman's approach must be for purchasing this pen. So in this way this session will take place. So now everybody please claps loudly for your own selves. First candidate I would like to call, please Pratik, come here. Please, ladies and gentlemen, have a big round of applause for Pratik. Okay, Pratik, now you are going to sell this product with your skills, right? So be kind with your customers, because once you misbehave with them, they would not purchase your company's product. Okay, be careful about it, because you have invested a lot for establishing your company. You should get return out of that. Okay, a few customers can come now. Pratik, please speak out a few words. Greet your thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I would sell about some products. You have purchased some products in my
In my stationery.
stationery.
Yes, very nice. So a few customers can come now. Yes, Vinay. Now it is turn. You can purchase the product, but now you want to say that I want to purchase this, but your approach must be to purchase this. Yes.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Hi, I'm next week my exam is there, so I want pen which would write smoothly in my budget, 5 rupees or 10 rupees.
Okay, sir. You purchased our OX pen. And this pen is writing is speed about 10 rupees.
I'm going to write an exam, not an autography. So I want smooth writing pen.
This is good, sir. Smooth writing and exam writing.
It will fade in backside of the paper when we will write it in the on the paper.
No, sir.
I have experienced it of this pen,
No, sir. This pen is only front page, sir.
and my budget is also little bit less. So I would like to buy small budget pen only.
How much budget? Your budget?
My budget is 5 rupees or 7 rupees.
5 rupees and 8 rupees. No pen, sir. Only 10 rupees, sir.
Then you have the 5 rupees pen DOMS.
No, sir. In this pen, 5 rupees.
I will pay online.
Okay.
Nice. Thank you, Pratik. You can take leave. Next candidate, whom I am going to call here, his name is Please Karthik, come up on the stage, ladies and gentlemen. Please have a big round of applause for him. Customers, please do visit to his shop.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Yes.
Come, sir. What you want? I want everything. Yeah. Particularly, you see. What is it? Gold sign. Gold? Yeah. we don't have proper knowledge for
He,
business.
he does not have proper knowledge whether it is gold chain or it is silver chain.
You don't understand? first, first of all, you understood. Yeah. It is silver chain. First of all, what you want? I want. It is. How much? This is rate is 5,000. 5,000? When you
Gold chain is sold for just
5,000, one buy get one free pen. If I have gone to another store, yeah, it is price.
Hello, sir.
200.
Hello, what are you doing? I want
It
to
is 200.
sell this one.
It's 200.
I have-
not
I have-
seller. I am not seller. He is seller.
I have gone.
Sir, tell me what is the price of this?
I have gone to another store. It is 200
500
price.
rupees,
Yeah,
sir.
only 500.
I think it is
Get
not.
one free one pen.
No, sir. I don't want. But it is
I
not
don't
worth than 500.
But I don't need pen.
Sir,
But I
sir,
don't need pen.
Sir, wait, sir. Sir, wait, sir. Sir, wait, sir. Sir, wait, sir. I think it is not for 500 rupees. It is not worth of 500 rupees. I think it is only for 5 to 10 rupees.
Only 5 to 20 rupees.
Why you cost for 500 rupees? It is.
If I
It
have
is not-
gone to another store, it is 10 rupees.
Sir, tell me. I have hurry to go.
Only missed product and
Duplicate
product. This is original product.
I think it is also duplicate, sir.
Yes. Yeah, no. My store is material is good. And another store.
This silver metal is only for made by silver.
Yeah, silver
I
and
think,
mixed diamond. But
So the diamond product you.
but here black color. Yeah, is it's a black diamond.
I think
I can't believe because
But you
I
first
think
time
it is
you-
steel.
First time you see this product, but you
I think it is second hand product and I think you stolen it from somebody else.
no.
So
First of-
how can you sell a diamond product in only 500 rupees? So it is I think it will be inquiry
But
on you.
I am a
make
richest
a
man.
question.
I am a richest man. But also helping the poor man.
Helping poor people.
Helping poor
Where,
people.
where did you stolen everything?
No stolen. I am a richest man. Only get one free and
Sir, I
lowest
have hurry,
cost.
sir. I have hurry, sir. Please
What
give
is
me
that?
for
Take this.
10 to 20 rupees.
No.
Approximately.
Last you approximately 300.
No, sir. It is
300?
not reasonable rate. I want.
When you want
I will give you 30 rupees.
No,
It's
no,
enough. Sir, please, sir. I
No,
have
sir,
hurry.
no,
I have
sir.
hurry, sir. Please.
Okay, sir.
Hey, I
will
need
drop.
umbrella. I need umbrella.
Yeah, take this.
Sir,
This
please
is
tell
how
me,
much
sir.
price is on-
Sir,
Sir,
please,
sir, what
please
you want
tell
to
me,
buy?
sir. Sir, please tell me.
Okay.
Hey, how much?
For 30
How much?
rupees.
No.
Sir,
Only
it's
only
okay,
300,
it's
sir.
So
Please.
it's okay, sir. Leave it.
Understand my feeling.
Bro, you never purchase to him. It
No,
is
sir. I think it is
Come, sir.
illegal.
Come,
Illegal.
sir. Come, sir. Come, sir.
Please.
Come, sir.
Please.
Yes,
I
sir.
think he is
He is
Helping
keeper.
people.
I think he is a keeper.
Yes.
For,
Ah.
selling these.
Yeah, stolen all these
and-
things from
No,
somewhere.
sir.
somebody.
I am a richest
Bro,
man.
you can
Only
So
see-
why did you?
You can
sell
see
these products? Are
bro.
you,
You can see key. It is second hand.
No, sir. It's my bike. You only get one free in umbrella.
So how many cost of this
It's
umbrella?
only 15 rupees.
So how can you give 15 rupees for an umbrella and also a key of bike?
Only key, no bike.
I think
Why?
you
Why
make
is
us
it purchased?
fool. I think you make us fool, so I leave it.
No, sir. Come, sir. Really come, sir.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
This happens actually in our big bazaars and bazaars. These type of situations happens in Mumbai and Delhi, you know. New customers can come. Please come. Seller can come.
He's owner, sir.
He is the owner.
I'm
and
worker
you are
in
the
this one.
employee.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Bro, how much is it?
Your business is growing up. New customers are coming. Please take care of
So
it.
it will cost 50,000.
50,000.
New customers can
Why?
come.
Why 50,000, bro? This is like say.
Yes, new startups.
This was
New
this
customers
product
can come,
was
guys.
bought by Ronaldo.
You Ronaldo.
Who, bro?
Ronaldo.
Ronaldo.
This
Ronaldo.
product was bought by
No, bro.
Ronaldo.
This is structure and this is a design to second hand.
No, no. Then it
No, bro. Yeah, to look it, you to look it, bro. This is to
it is used by the Ronaldo. That's why.
no.
Karthik, your customer wants to buy this kerchief. I think he wants to buy this kerchief for his friend. I think so. Yes.
I want kerchief, but it is so that girls kerchief. Yes, bro, this is not girls, bro. This is you are married, bro. I think, you think,
Are you married?
sir? No married. That's about girls for in.
Purchasing
I have been single,
friend.
yes, sir. I have been single since birth. How much is it, bro?
This would cost 20,000.
20,000. What, bro? Is how much? Bro, tell me, bro. Too much, bro.
It was used by Deepika Padukone. That's why.
Where is the Deepika Padukone? Who is Deepika Padukone? Who is Deepika Padukone? Deepika Padukone is girl.
It is also upper brand than Classmate.
No, I want only classmate books.
What I am saying you that, ma'am, these
Madam,
pages are similar. Bro, this is Apsara. So similar pages had in Classmate book.
Okay, how
That's why.
much cost?
It
that?
would cost 72 rupees.
It is too much.
Ma'am,
Madam, another story is you.
bro. We will get it for 30 rupees. We want 2 rupees profit for the
You will
management
give
of
this book and 2 pens
Free.
and that kerchief
Huh?
and umbrella only 50 rupees.
Ma'am,
Wow.
I will give my stationery.
Okay, you will
Ma'am,
give.
take reasonable products. Huh?
Total how much cost it would be?
It would cost 200 rupees.
No,
200 rupees total cost. Yes.
you can
It is
Reduce
friends. I
this to,
think 20.
you can reduce this cost only 100.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. 100, no, ma'am. 20 rupees. It is price 20 rupees. No, bro. How much you can?
Bro, give in a single.
Ask them whatever they want. Ask them.
I want
They
urgently
have been
umbrella
standing
and
for a long.
notebooks and pens. Fast, give me fast.
Last paid rupees will be 150.
You can.
No, no.
No, bro.
I will give only 100 rupees.
Only 100 rupees, ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
You take all.
Huh?
You give me
You
all.
can. You can.
Yeah, only I
Without-
give
without-
150.
150.
I give 100 rupees. I give 100 rupees.
I
Please
give
give.
120 rupees, bro. 120? Yes, bro. No. Why, bro? This is 100.
Giving this 100 rupees to you.
We are in our shop. First privilege will be for girls only. That's why.
Wow.
I want to attend function. Please
Partiality
give
in
me-
shops. In shops. Wow.
Only for girls, sir.
I want.
Only for girls. It is.
You are not handling your customers properly.
Please
You know.
give me fast.
She's getting
Because
paid for
I
a
am.
bus.
What do you want, ma'am?
I want
How much, sir?
2 books, 2 pens, and that umbrella and kerchief. I
It
want.
will cost 200 rupees.
No, I will. I already said.
How much,
na.
bro?
I will give 200 rupees.
50 crore?
You deal with her,
Uh.
and he will deal with him.
50 crore.
Give me fast.
I think it
I
is
have
pair
no
watch.
Last how will you pay?
100
pair
rupees
watch.
only.
Now only
100,
you told 150 rupees.
100,
Then you are telling
Okay, fine. Okay, take 100
Okay,
rupees.
I can't go.
pay us 100 rupees, ma'am.
Count the amount first.
This is
Otherwise, we can't trust on market. Especially, we can't trust on girls. Count the amount, guys. Count it. How much we have? How
Ma'am,
much we have earned?
you have cheated us.
Only 50 rupees. charge given.
I will give next time.
You have.
Then it
I
is
will
for
give-
1 hour only, ma'am.
I
You can
will
use
give-
it for 1 hour.
Take your money.
For 50.
I will give next time. Definitely.
Sir, where is umbrella? I want umbrella.
Yes, wait. Second hand we will buy.
Okay. She has already purchased. She can't give it back.
We have no stocks in our.
So what, sir?
Sure.
Why did you, man?
Bro, you know this is some rainy season. All are sold out now only.
Okay. So then please make some extra
Again, new customer came.
Must be I need umbrella.
So
No.
you must put
Bro,
some
you can-
extra materials of umbrella.
Then
So that will be needed to us.
then you can talk with our owner.
Is he owner?
I don't think so.
Don't judge a book by its cover.
Hello sir, where is umbrella? We want umbrella because it is a rainy season.
Yeah.
So
They are thieves.
Yes, sir. Definitely he is thief.
I think this is stolen. So you must give a
Bro, this should be
reasonable
stolen, but
cheap price for it.
it is used by heroine.
Oh,
That's
which
why.
heroine it was? Is this used by heroine?
Yeah.
So who are that person?
Tripti Dimri.
Huh?
Tripti Dimri.
I don't know her. Who is she?
I couldn't explain about her.
Bro, can I see demo?
You can.
I know.
Virat Kohli is used there. Virat Kohli?
He is a Virat Kohli used
No.
these.
Virat Kohli's company is this.
So
He sponsored us our company.
Then we don't want that.
Now can I open?
You
Can
can
I
open. You can open.
I will show you. I think
See.
there is some holes.
See, it stroke like Virat Kohli.
There are
That is no work, it's a passion. Design and passion.
What will come out? What will come from water will
Water is leaking.
and it is not sufficient for two members.
Bro, it will be
is only sufficient
water
for
will be
one person.
purified from this. Sir.
Bro, where the
We both are friends,
Brothers.
so we want umbrella. But it is only for it is sufficient for only one person, not for second person. No, let's see.
You
It
can
is
see.
also have a hole there.
and big girl.
So how can you sell these products, damaged products?
This is only used summertime.
Yeah.
So we want for rainy season, so we don't want this one.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
umbrella or not
No,
now?
I think it is.
This
used
umbrella
for
can only be
summer.
used in
So-
summer, not for any season, you know.
So why did
Because
you?
there are many holes in that.
Yes,
So
sir.
for rainy
Sir,
season it can't be used.
We don't need summertime, sir.
What? Now it is a raining season, so we want raining season umbrella. So why did you?
Why are you
put
come
this?
rain time? You'll stay in home. Only summertime.
We have some work, sir. So we want to buy a new umbrella.
Rain time you work.
Yes,
What
sir.
you want? But we never come summertime outside.
I want to ask you guys, have you really sold all your products? Have you sold or all were stolen?
Yes.
All were stolen, right? Then what kind of businessman you are?
There are work only 50 rupees.
And that 50 rupees I took. Even they do not know that I have stolen this 50 rupees. And they want to run MNC company and stocks. What kind of businessman these are? And he is known as the boss. And he is his employee. They both run big company.
We will sell next time.
So, can you please comment on this umbrella? Please share your opinions on the umbrella. How is the color and how it can help me from rain?
It is using only summer.
We can use this only in summertime, not in rainy season, right? Okay. Also, it can be used. The salesman told you that it can only be used in summer, not in rainy season. Wow, superb. What kind of umbrella you are selling? See, one suggestion for both of employee and for the boss. Tomorrow, if you start selling such products, your home will be sold tomorrow. Don't. Okay, thank you so much everybody for participating here. I would like to thank you all. We enjoyed a lot. Hope upcoming session will be with this type of, so everybody is going to enjoy more. Thank you so much for participating. Take care. You can take leave today.